Okay, hello guys. Yes, today we will write down consonants. Okay, the first one is 기역. 기역. It is 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, next one is 니은. Is 니은. So 1. Again, 1. Next one here. It is 디귿. 디귿 is 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Okay, the next one is 리을. 리을. But here we are. There is R actually, but you would better to pronounce like L. Is better to you. Okay, then I will 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next one. 미음. 미음. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Just square. Okay. Next one is 비읍. 비읍. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next one. It is 시옷. 시옷. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. Yeah, it seems like 人, right? 人. Okay. And the next one is 이응. 이응. It is just like 이응. Just circle again. 1. Okay, very good job. And this, it is 지읒. 지읒. Here. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but most of Korean write 지읒 like this. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And next one is 치읒. 치읒. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is also, most Korean use this like 1, 2, 3, like this. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next one is 키읔. 키읔. Like 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Yes, so you know it is okay. And the next one is 티읒. 티읒. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 티읒. Okay. Next one. 피읍. 피읍. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 피읍. Okay. Next one is 히읗. 히읗. It is 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So cute. And next one is, this is double. So, 쌍기역. 쌍기역. Okay, not 억. 쌍기역. Okay. Actually, this one is 쌍. It means 双 in Chinese language. 双 because it is double. So here, 1, 2. Okay, one more. 1, 2. Okay, 쌍기역. Next one is 쌍디귿. 쌍디귿. 1, 2. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so good. Next one. 쌍비읍. 쌍비읍. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. It was 쌍비읍. 쌍비읍. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. Do you know? And I think most of Korean use 쌍비읍 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 비읍. And just add this one. Yes. 쌍비읍 like this. Yes. 비읍, double bi읍s. Okay. Then how about next one? 쌍시옷. 쌍시옷. Okay. The next one. Oh, sorry. Next one is 1, 2. Oh, too narrow. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 人人 쌍시옷. 쌍시옷. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Good. The last one is 쌍지읒. 쌍지읒. As I said before, actually this is 지읒, but most of Korean use this one like this. So I will use 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Actually, it is not 1, 2, 3. Actually, it is 1, 2, right? 1, 2. Okay. Or you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay. Okay. And do you know this one? Here, it is 짱. It means great. It's kind of slang. Yes, positive slang. Great. Yes, 짱. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.